Here's how you can make these backyard nuclear bunker videos using a free AI tool. No nonsense, just straight to the point. Let's go. We have a master prompt and the link is in the description. In the master prompt, you'll find both the image generation prompt and the video creation prompts. First, copy the image generation prompt and go to Grok AI. In Grok AI, go to Imagine and select Image Generation. Set the ratio to TikTok size and paste the prompt. Grok AI will create multiple images. Download the one you like. By making small changes to the prompt, you can generate different backyard locations for future videos and maintain consistency in your content. Now go back to the master prompt and copy the first video generation prompt. In Grok AI, upload the image you just created. Grok will automatically start converting it into a video, but cancel that process. Click on Customize and paste the video prompt. After a short time, Grok AI will generate the video. You can upscale it for better quality, then download it. Next, play the video in any media player and go to the last frame. Take a screenshot and crop it to TikTok size. Then go back to Grok AI and upload this screenshot. From the master prompt, copy the second video generation prompt and paste it there. After some time, you will get the next video clip. Repeat this process to generate all the clips. Once all clips are ready, import them into any video editing software and organize them properly. Keep the volume levels consistent across all clips so the video feels realistic. After editing, export the video in high quality. Now your video is ready. Follow for more short and simple free tutorials. If you face any problem, comment below and I'll respond. We will meet in another video. Bye.